Strengthening to achieve agreements. Productive agreements involve leading, sustaining, and concluding interactions and mediations with others to meet needs, expectations, and create mutual benefits. First, let's remove the buildup of arguing, fighting, and competing with the person you're making the agreement with or others. We erase memories from this life and others of getting things through threats, force, violence, or tantrums. We eliminate the need to be right and the need for others to tell you you're right. Be strong and neutral about being right or wrong, whether others acknowledge it or not. We erase 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's erase the belief that compromising is weak or admitting mistakes makes you vulnerable. We erase the fear of making mistakes. We release fear of punishment, loss, abuse, submission, and rejection for poor results. We clear these memories in you, ancestors and descendants from this life and others of being punished, abused, subjugated, or dispossessed. We erase it completely with its cumulative effect to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time for all time. We remove all emotions, sensations, and reactions that remained from these experiences. We eliminate the non-physical trauma generated by these experiences and inherited by descendants. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time for all time. Be strong to hear others' needs without triggering memories of lack or loss. Be strong and neutral to understand or not understand others' needs, to agree with them or disagree, to choose whether to contribute or not. Strong for all options, 100% potential, all the time, infinitely. We remove feeling attacked when others share opinions, disagree, or express needs. We also remove this in the person you're making an agreement with to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We erase getting offended or angry at others' thoughts, feelings, and desires that differ from yours. Strong yet neutral, to be vulnerable or not, noticed or unnoticed. Strong to embrace your inherent vulnerability, and strong to possess and wield your rightful power. We erase ancestral struggle for achievements and needs from this life and beyond. We clear karmas, direct, indirect, and partial, for making and breaking promises in this life and others. We clear this from you and those you've let down. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time for infinite time. We clear family karmas for making agreements known to be unfulfillable. Strength to listen to others' perspectives. Strength to accept and acknowledge others' viewpoints. Strength to grow from others' insights. Strength to find common ground between others' views and your own. Strength to see that everyone can be right simultaneously, and that the goal is for everyone to benefit from this agreement. We clear the fear of being wrong if you accept something you're unsure about. Strength to research, learn, and act with minimal risk. Strength to lose, to win by losing, and to lose by winning. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, for infinite time. Let's separate the weaknesses of winning and losing. We erase each and their combination to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. We balance winning and losing, ensuring they're centered, stable, and equal. We clear bad info and views on losing, your losses, and others' losses you've seen. We erase what's from you and outside you to 0 minus infinity, always and forever. We clear the buildup of losses from poor deal making, breaking deals, and wrong partners. Be strong to admit someone who broke a deal shouldn't get future deals. If unavoidable, be firm in examining all angles to minimize risk of deal breaches. Let's strengthen our ability to sense and intuit others' true intentions when making agreements. Will boost your confidence and intuition to reject deals with dishonest individuals. Will remove emotional reactions when making agreements. Will clear any energy of lack, injustice, or abuse from both parties involved in the agreement. Will empower you to listen and understand what the other person wants and needs in the agreement. Will eliminate all unresolved issues between you and that person, erasing them completely. Will help the other party to listen and understand your wants and needs regarding the agreement. Let's erase memories of hurt, betrayal, disloyalty, deceit, abuse, fraud, and unresolved issues between you and this person in this life and others. We extend this healing to your descendants and ancestors and those of this person for all unfulfilled matters between them. Will clear both minds of outcomes, agreements, and interpretations each has of the other and their family. We erase all traces, remnants, and impressions to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time for infinite time. We remove uncertainty and expectations on both sides and in physical spaces to 0 minus infinity, always. Stay strong, neutral, calm, and present. No emotions, judgments, criticism, reproach, or accusations while forming or affirming an agreement. Strength to all parties involved, directly or indirectly, to seek, find, and accept mutually beneficial agreements. Strength to free the mind from influences, fears, and lacks that could affect this agreement. Let's send this mind to other realms, dimensions, and cosmic spaces with all accumulated effects. Strength to know when to yield and when to stand firm and for others to do the same. Strength to be clear on your starting point and non-negotiables within this agreement. Strengthen your physical, mental, and spiritual intelligence to be both firm and flexible. Strength to take time to think, analyze, and inform yourself about each agreement's points. Let's eliminate rush, pressure, threats, and past consequences when making agreements. We remove the energy of need and lack on both sides that hinders seeing possibilities. We eliminate the fear of losing everything. Strong enough to act honestly and accept others' honesty. Let's remove weaknesses from facing the raw, unfiltered truth and its impact. We'll connect the physical intelligence of all participants in this agreement, both direct and indirect, linking it with the universe's physical intelligence, the universe's with all participants with Earth's physical intelligence, and Earth's physical intelligence with all participants, to creatively discover ways for everyone to benefit. Will remove regret and guilt from past agreements made by you, ancestors, or descendants in this life and others. Will eliminate anxiety, discomfort, fear, irritability, and other debilitating emotions before, during, and after the agreement. Let's strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of all geometries we work with for you and the person you're making the agreement with. 100% potential all the time, infinitely. Will remove all that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks reaching an agreement. Will erase all traces, remnants, and impressions of what we've removed. Will eliminate resistance to release, erase, forgive, and forget all that's gone. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. Great. Tell me how you feel now. Any different?